Most women want financial independence, and investing is a powerful tool for helping us achieve this goal. So why aren't more of us doing it? Watch this video to see why we aren't investing and why now is the time to change that. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Let's talk money and how to get more of it. Ladies, the research is out. When we invest, we do as well, if not better, than men. But the fact remains there are still way fewer female investors than there are male. So what's with that? A recent study by Cantor looking at winning over women identified a number of key barriers that women have said they face when it comes to investing. So let's take a look at those limitations, unpick them, and I'd like to offer you some suggestions to overcome them if these are what is holding you back from investing. The first hindrance that women say they face is that they simply don't trust the system. The world of personal finance has long been a pale male boys club. The jargon and even the branding seem designed to keep anyone out who didn't fit this profile. And women got this message and for the most part stayed clear of investing. But how the winds of change have blown through the status quo. Investment firms, banks and investment advisors are scrambling to understand women speak to get us on board. Yes, we don't trust them, and rightly so. They did their best to keep us out of the clubhouse. Now they are chasing us to get on board the investing train, and it's about time they started speaking our language. We owe it to ourselves to speak up. If we don't understand, we need to ask the questions. If we don't like what they offer, how they offer it, or simply we do not trust them, we need to speak up. We are speeding past the era of being made to feel foolish, financially illiterate, or unimportant. When we speak, they will listen. And if they don't, we simply move on to the next eager suitor. There are plenty of fish in this financial sea. The second hurdle which women say they face is that they feel stupid asking questions and not having the understanding. And this is the way the system was designed to make us feel. Bluntly, we did not fit into the investing club. But the shoe is now on the other foot, and our stupid questions are not stupid at all. In fact, they are gold nuggets to the investment providers who want to hear what we have to say and change their offerings to meet our needs. Yes, it is a huge challenge to speak up and ask questions, especially after years of being investment outsiders and made to feel foolish. But we are facing an unprecedented opportunity to build our knowledge, to get investing, and to grow what is predicted to become a significant amount of wealth across the female universe. The third hindrance which women say they face is they just think that investing is too risky. And to coin a phrase, life is risky. We aren't getting out alive. And quite frankly though, the biggest risk is doing nothing, because rising inflation will guarantee that your cash savings will become worth less and less over time. So how do you hedge against this? Well, you invest. And it is a given that the markets will go up and down over time. And these schizophrenic upwards and downward movements are in fact normally or generally on an upward trajectory. And this makes sense because new technologies, efficiencies, and evolutions within the market mean that we get better and better. So if you can get clear on what your goals are and be in the market for the long term, you will give your money enough time to ride out those ups and downs so that you can achieve your aspirations and your goals. The fourth hindrance which women say they face is that they just don't want to add to their to-do lists with more to-dos. Well, unless you are planning on becoming the next Wolf of Wall Street or Warren Buffett, you are not going to be watching your investments every day. And in fact, that is a big positive, and it really contributes to why women outperform men in their investment portfolios. Our consistent and stable approach to investing generally plays out better than a strategy of chasing quick wins and continuously buying and selling. Women have said not understanding is the fifth hindrance to them investing. And saying this out loud is the most empowering action. The second one is to ask, well, then how do I learn? There's an endless supply of personal finance books, courses, webinars, and financial education platforms specifically designed and targeted at women. So find out what works for you. Join investing groups, start talking, and start asking questions. The investing world is quite literally your oyster. So don't hesitate to exploit all the information and all the education that is available to you. Hindrance number 6 follows from number 5, and it's I don't know who to talk to. Women in particular have seen money as a taboo topic, and the failure to speak up and to speak openly has led us to feeling isolated, unsure, and hesitant about which financial actions to take. The first step is to start the money conversation flowing. Speak with your partner, your family, your close friends, your trusted colleagues, and find out what they are doing with their finances. Investigate, learn, and start to get financially educated. And from this place of knowledge and understanding, take action, either by starting your own investment strategy or by speaking to a financial advisor. The last hindrance is the biggest misconception, and it is that I don't have enough money to invest. It is a total fallacy that you need a truckload of money to invest. Those that invest regularly can commit as little as £20 per month. Many online platforms offer the option to invest a monthly sum into stocks and shares through investment products, from passive index tracker funds, actively managed funds, or directly into individual shares and bonds. These investment choices make it simple as possible for you to build a well-balanced, diversified portfolio which suits your risk tolerance and your long-term goals. So now we've tackled all these hurdles, what do? Investing is a building block in your wealth arsenal. So it's very important that before you do it, your wealth foundation is secure. So before investing, get your financial house in order. Create your emergency fund. Pay off your expensive consumer debt. Analyze your income and expenses so you know exactly the amount you have available to invest. And get clear on your financial goals and know where you want your financial journey to take you. If you're ready to get started investing, grab the Investing 101 How to Get Started Investing workbook below. And if you like this video, let me know by hitting like. If you know of any other ladies who want to change their financial story and get more financial talk designed for women, please point them to my channel. And if you want to hear more, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. It's been lovely chatting to you, and I hope to speak with you again.